Hello, this is Dave Maddock with Maddock and Associates here to demonstrate how to use the Group Health Cooperative Doc Find or provider search. What you do is you open up a web browser and you go to ghc.org, www.ghc.org. Once you're on the web page, you'll see a link up here called Find Doctors. Click on that. And that's going to pull up a separate website that has the provider search tool on it. If you've got a pop-up blocker, you may need to disable that for this site because, as you saw, it did open up a new website. So what you're going to want to do is, if you are a member already, so if you're already enrolled in Group Health, you want to definitely log in. You can register with the information on your medical insurance ID card. And when you log in, you're going to have a lot more features. It's also going to know which network you're on, and it'll be a little bit easier to use. Probably know where you live as well. I'm assuming that you're not a member now. You're kind of just checking out to see if the doctor's in or out. Maybe you're shopping for plans. So what you're going to want to do before you start doing any searches is customize this top part. First, on My Health Plan, you're going to want to make sure to pick either, generally in the small group, the most popular plan is Access PPO. That's a plan the Group Health has been selling that allows you to go in-network and out-of-network. It's got a very broad network of providers. The second most popular plan is going to be Group Health, or also called Core, and that is a the HMO style plan where basically you need to go to Group Health to get benefits, and there's no out-of-network benefits with the exception of emergency. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Access PPO. There we go. We set the health plan, and then location. It's going to default to some sort of location, but you can click there to change it. So let's just say you're in Seattle instead of Tacoma. So you do that, just click on Seattle. Now we're ready to search. So you can search a couple different ways. One way is to search by name. So if you have a specific doctor in mind, like for example your regular doctor you normally see, you can type in their name and verify that they're in network. If you type in their name and you don't get any results, I'd recommend you double check the spelling of the name. Sometimes if you don't have a card or something for the doctor, you can just go ahead and open a Google search and Google the doctor, and Google is good at matching. Even if you misspell it slightly, usually pull the right spelling of the name. That way you can just make sure you got the right spelling. We get a lot of people misspell their doctor's name and think the doctor's not in network when they really are. The other way to look is by a category down here. So if you click on medical care, then you can narrow it down to different types of care. So let's say you need to get a doctor for your child. So you click on pediatrics. And what it's going to do is pull up different pediatricians that are in Seattle. And then now you can go ahead and you can sort by different criteria. So there's quality or rating or distance, right? By default it goes by distance. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and click on one of the doctors here, and you'll see you can learn more about the doctor through the site. So here it shows their specialty, shows the provider networks they're in, the hospital affiliations, and then ratings as well. So I've been noticing on the search engines that a lot of the doctors do not have ratings, so I believe the ratings feature is pretty new. So over time that will become more and more useful. It seems right now the recommendation or rating section is not does not have that much information in it. So anyway, it's got their locations, provider phone number. When you want to do a new search, you can just type in a name here, or you can click on right here, Group Health. That'll get you back to this site. So you want to look up hospitals. You click up there and it's going to show you the different hospitals in the network that are close to Seattle. It starts out sorting by distance. I hope you find this useful. Maddock & Associates, we're an employee benefits broker. If you need assistance, give us a call, 800-875-4490. Thank you for tuning in.